Yeah, good morning everybody. In this class, we are going to study about relationship between critical angle and refractive index. The relationship between critical angle and refractive index, n equals to 1 by sin c. In this class, we are going to prove this from Snell's law. It is very clear that n1 sin c, n1 sin I is equal to n2 sin r. When we are studying about critical angle, when the light ray is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, when the light ray is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, the light ray grazes over the surface. That means this is called the incident ray, this is called the incident ray, and this is called the reflected ray. And this reflected ray is making an angle 90 degrees with normal. This is called angle of reflection. The incident ray making an angle with normal is called angle of incidence. It is very clear that denser medium is nothing but water, rarer medium is nothing but air. See, let the refractive index be n1, refractive index is n2. We already know that the refractive index of air is 1.003, hence it can be considered as 1. So the value of n2 is 1. Let us calculate here. n1 sin I is equal to n2 sin r. I is equal to c by critical angle definition. From the definition of critical angle, we can calculate I as c, and angle r is equal to 90 degrees. Hence we conclude that n1 sin c is equal to n2 sin 90. We know that from trigonometry functions it is very clear that sin 90 is equal to 1. By substituting there, n1 sin c is equal to n2. Here n2 is multiplying. If it comes this side, it will divide. So n1 by n2 is equal to sin c. 1 by sin c, sorry. I told you very clearly that n2 is nothing but refractive index of air. The refractive index of air is 1. Hence we conclude that n1 by 1 is equal to 1 by sin c. Hence n1 is equal to 1 by sin c. We can take it as n. n is equal to 1 by sin c, where n is called refractive index, where c is called critical angle. Hence the critical angle can be defined as when the light ray is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, the angle of incidence in which angle of refraction grazes over the surface or angle of refraction is 90 degrees. Hence it is divided. And we can write it as n1 by n2. n1 by n2 can be written as n12 is equal to 1 by sin c. Hence the above equation is verified. Thank you.